Scientists suggest looking for aliens on starships powered by Hawking radiation. The idea of starships powered by radiation from black holes is not new, but it's the first time scientists suggest using hypothetical technology as a means of finding intelligent life, that is, aliens in space. This is on Sputnik News today. This was suggested by mathematician Louis Crane. He was the co-author of a 2009 study on the feasibility of using the Hawking radiation, black holes, the power of black holes for the source for energizing starships. He suggested a new usage for the hypothetical technology. This was his most recent study. Crane offered to start tracking objects that took the starships operating with this technology so far inaccessible to humanity, but which could be used by, for example, aliens. These ships will look like small spots that are hotter than any other natural object and would emit huge amounts of particles and gamma rays as their byproducts of the black hole operation. Crane also said that the gamma radiation cone will appear red-shifted during the first half of such a starship voyage and blue-shifted during the second half of the ship as it turns around to begin deceleration. It almost looks like something we see in Star Trek. Now, in 2009, his paper that he wrote, Crane said that he would suggest the black hole with a 2.8 attometer radius will have a lifespan of about a century and can produce 15 petawatts of power. Therefore, it would be suitable for powering the spaceship and accelerating across the galaxies to the speed of light, for example. Now, the problem with such a singularity drive is to efficiently direct the Hawking radiation emitted by the black hole. And his idea is to, for example, bombard the parabolic reflector with the radiation to propel the ship forward. And this really sounds like Star Trek stuff, really. Now, the authors of the research admit that at the moment, humanity does not have the materials or the technology that will be needed to build such a vessel. Another difficult thing is that the quantum gravity effects produced by black holes remain poorly studied, and they cannot make the creation of the drive much easier or make it. Obviously, it would be close to impossible. Okay, this is just too much energy. It's just too much concerning black holes. But anyway, they say that that's one way that they would be able to look for aliens. They would look for the energy emitted being brighter than black holes. The energy, huge amounts of particles and gamma rays by the byproduct of the black hole operation. Okay, that's a good idea. Let's see if they come up with anything. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.